What's going on, my friends? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove this sticky residue from glass. See the glue coming off right there? This is what you'll need right here is some Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash Disc Spray right here. Stuff works amazing. You're also going to need a fresh brand new razor blade. Make sure it doesn't have any rust on it. It's not dull, because if it's dull and it's not new, it could scratch your window. So make sure you got a fresh brand new one. That is how to remove sticky residue from glass. If you want to know how to properly clean the window without leaving streaks, click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you soon.